Hello again. Now we will proceed with the modeling. First, we need to create another joint, but this time we need to create it here. That's why we need to pattern this one. So select Show All Types and then select Linear Pattern and go to Bodies. Then open this menu here. Then go to the cut list. To the last folder, select the first item, hold Shift, then select the last one. Then open this folder and select these two items. Once done, go up. For direction 1, select this line. And we need to pattern this up to a reference, and the reference will be this face here. Now we need a reference on this joint, and for a selected reference, let it be this face here. And I want a number of instances, and I want it to be 2. Now let's see what happened there, and let's see how we can modify things. If I zoom in here, let me finish the command for a better view, then select Section View, and then the right plane. And here, as you can tell, I need a 5 mm offset. So it will be the same as this one here, because I need to weld this flange from here and from inside. So to achieve this distance, let's edit this feature. And here you will find offset distance. Set it to 5 mm and then reverse the direction. Then we have 5 mm of this flange inside and 5 mm outside, and it's the same here. Then hit OK. And exit the section view. And now we have the both joints.